Hi everyone, I just arrived Clark. I park car in parking. Take a look. I park again near broken cars. It's insurance parking near Clark security. Sometimes here so many cars they park. Shira now on the way to Clark with her family, but I want to walk little bit and show to you before rain. I will show to you what's new in the CDC park now. This is bus stop. CDC boss. This is parking. Oh, bus stop is CDC boss. I think boss here. Boss. Business one-stop shop. Business one-stop shop is boss. Okay? I think not so many people because cloudy and maybe starting rain. That's why in the park I think not crowdy. I think few people now in the park. But I will walk before rain. Yeah, in the park, very few people now. Rent bike. Yeah, very few people also here. Everyone have umbrella because every day rain and you don't know when rain start. I will try to walk faster before rain. Already public CR already open. 1 month ago is just only starting renovation. Port Stotsenburg. You can read here. Clark, #1 tourist destination in central Luzon. Yes, really, it's #1. Yeah, not many people. Very few people. Most of the people in the food court. Because maybe they fast. And parking also. Maybe they will, if start rain, they go into the car. Hello. Usually I walk here 3-4 round. One route and 2.5 kilometers. It's good fresh air here. I like this place. Very good park for jogging. Many places of course here for jogging, but it's easy park here, safety. Have CR also. If you want it, you have food court, so many restaurants also. Different restaurants. Japanese restaurant. Filipino foods also. But today not so many people because we expected rain. Yeah, people here under the tree. Most of people under the tree.
Japan, okay.
Ali, nagbanding na lang, ilari kayo.
They prepare if rain, they can faster hide in the car. One the same t-shirt, it's one family. Maybe party. Oh, this dog same, my mother have same dog. Here drinking station, you can take water for free. This is water. You just only need to prepare bottle. I think it's free. Maybe free, I don't know. Yes, it's free. Water for free here. Today don't have street foods. I think it's because rain. That's why don't have now. I will wait Shira here in this bench. But I think already starting rain. That's why I don't know where we can sit in the park for picnic. Because cloudy. Yeah, starting rain little bit. But sometimes not start rain. Little bit only have and stop it. No, I don't want to sit. I will walk better more kilometers. I don't want to always long time sit. Before is mini stop. Maybe have information. I will check. commercial building with roof deck. Commercial. I don't know, maybe Korean, some Korean restaurants, I don't know. Starting November last year. Oh, expected complete in September, maybe in October. Okay, we come back. It's good if have parking, because really I don't know where park here. I see already Shira. We park car here. Yeah. Park. Shira's family. No, don't have rain. It's okay. Hi. Little bit, Shira. It's okay. It's not big rain. Yeah. Hi, Pamela. You know already Pamela, Shira sister. It's also another sister. It's her mother. Hi. 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 They been in SNR and bought pizza also. I help now. And we're going to this park. It's very close. Big pizza. What? Water. Okay. Share a car. It's her father. Hello. Hi. Shira father. Maybe you remember. He also in Jim McPow in police working. I just say to our subscribers, because from also Jim McPow also work in police, and also you can see him in the road also, check document with uniform. We're going to Pamela now pregnant. Her one children already have. Oh, already barbecue. Shira, take a look. Before it's abandoned. Cafe abandoned.
Yeah, before abandoned.
I will take video later. What is this? Before here don't have pedestrian line. But it's new. Pedestrian line already have. It's good. Not heavy for you, Shira? Not? Many children, because children playground here. Who watching our video, they know sometimes we sit here with Shira and eat. Oh, it's good. Under the tree. Oh, karaoke. Of course, karaoke everywhere, karaoke. Even in the park, karaoke. No, if not noisy, it's okay. So you take this for free?
Yeah.
What is this? Can you show?
Camping chair.
Where? In SNR?
You know, in Northwalk, Clark, Shell, I take BMS there, and then they give me this free.
What is this? Oh,
Yeah, it's big.
big.
Their promo.
Oh, good shelf.
Yeah.
So much gas maybe you bought? Not so much.
Not so much.
Not
I
so
take
much.
BMS.
Ah,
For the car, I only pay 4,100.
okay.
Everything. Change oil, filters,
Okay.
and then they give me this.
So for 4,000 change oil,
Yeah, everything. Filter,
everything for car 4,000 peso,
Yeah, for
including oil or not?
including oil. It's fully
Wow.
synthetic.
It's good. Oh, big pizza.
Kasi nakaano. May bag ma.
Two same or different?
Magkaiba naman tayo ng
All meat.
Share different. Meat.
All meat. And then this pepperoni.
Pepperoni and meat.
bawal kang mating mga niningki ako.
Garlic chili.
Wala.
What is this, Shaira? Chicken roll. Chicken roll is good. I like.
Mati ang pamama. Mati ang pamama. Priority ng mga bata. Dahil yan ang mga
Oh, it's good.
Kako na yung meto. Rats yan na yung
We already going to home.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.